math work today is a little bit different. The tools we've been using have been stacks of 10 and singles or ones, tens and ones. That's how place value works. Place value is understanding that the way we write numerals and what we write and the order we write the numerals matters. This means 1. It doesn't mean 1 like this. No, it means 1 like 10. And then these 3 pieces here means 1 plus 3 more, and that means this amount, 13. The order that the numerals are in matters when we're writing and reading numbers. How many stacks of 10 are in this numeral? 1, like before, or 3. This numeral, the first one, is the tens spot. The second numeral is the ones spot. If we did not have the first numeral, then 1 is 1. That's the only spot. I usually write my numerals this way, and it'd be good for you to see that as a possibility. 0, 1. When I've written numerals, when we've done calendar work and writing work, I've written 0, 1. If you check your calendar, you'll see that it says 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, because that's to help you see that there's a placeholder. The 0 means 0 tens. The 1 means 1, 1. It still means the same amount. No tens, just 1. Place value matters. Now, if you had this number and this number together, one of these numbers means 3 tens. If you point to the numeral that means 3 tens, is it that one or that one? Right, it's this one because the tens comes first. 3 tens and 1, 1. In this numeral, it means 1 10 and 3 ones. The order that we write numerals makes a difference in reading them. 13 is different than 31. Of these two, one is least and one is greatest. Can you point to the numeral that shows the least one? And then point to the numeral that shows the greatest one. Greatest numeral. Right? 13 is the least, 31 is the greatest one. Ones, tens. What's that thing? If I put this here, it might give you a hint. Each stack here means a row of 10. Let's count how many stacks are here and that are together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, right? 90, 100. This rectangular prism represents the numeral 100. But that's the first one. 100. 0 extra tens. 100. 0 extra ones. 3 digits or 3 parts to the place value means this is no longer just 1. It's no longer just 10. It now means 100. 3 parts to this. I'm going to write some numerals now that I'd like you to try to copy and then try reading. Please copy that numeral. I won't ask you to build it because you don't have one of those. You could build the 24 and remember the 1 is there if you'd like to do that. Okay, let's read this. 1, 2, 4. Well, that is what the numerals are, but that isn't how one reads this. Let's try reading it the math way. 124. Some people say 124. The most mathematical way of saying it is to not say the word and. Is to say 124. 4 ones, 2 tens, 1 100. Okay, let's clear the deck and then I'll write another one. Could you write that numeral, please? And then try practice reading it. Let's read it together. 173. 173. 3 ones, 7 tens, 1 100. 173. If I wanted to make that be the international 7, I could do that. 173. Okay. This time I'm going to say a numeral. You try writing it. 100, 48, 148. And hold it up so I can see. 148. 8 ones, 4 tens, 1 100. Nice. Please clear the deck and let me give you another one. 162. 162. 162. 162. 2 ones, 6 tens, 1 100. 162. Good. Clear the deck. Let's do another one. Ready? 185. 185. Ready? 185. 185. 5 ones, 8 tens, 1 100. Okay, clear the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Quick, erase this. Oh, brother. I just realized the math unit math unit we've been studying is numbers 0 to 100. Do you see what I just did? I went past 100. Uh-oh. Oops! Okay, we are going to stop there for today. And then let's talk about next.